everyone. Yes, if we look at the new update on WhatsApp now, you can see that it's showing, the status is now showing like this, which is not even convenient. Can you see? I'm not even convenient going through people's status by just sliding it like that. Okay, I don't know if other people are finding it convenient, but I don't, because I prefer the way it was just before. The way when you want to access somebody's status easily, you can just scroll up and access it. I prefer that. I don't know if we are okay with this update that WhatsApp does, but for me, I am not okay with it, because I will have to be sliding, somehow stressful. I'll start sliding because I want to check somebody's status, and it's not even convenient. Even at a point in time when you get to a place, if you just get tired and you stop, and you can see that this actually affects, and it's can is reduce the status view. Okay, so but there's no cause for alarm. I've discovered a way that you can actually turn it back to the normal way it used to be. Okay, so what you do is that you see all this channel here, right? Okay, what actually happened is that probably you have followed any of this channel. So for you to get your WhatsApp back to the normal straight vertical scrolling, you're going to do this. So for you to get your status back like this, on the normal scrolling up like this, okay, this is what you are going to do. I'm going to show you how to get your status back like this. So for you to get your status back like the one just like the normal way it used to be before, you want to change it from this horizontal to vertical like this. You come down to this channel, all this channel here, all this channel. Now let me just let us know the reason why your status changed to this horizontal, that you have to slide by the side, is because you followed those channel under this channel under. Okay, it's because you followed them, that was why. So for you to get your status view back to the normal way it used to be before this update, go to those channels that you have followed, click on each of it just as I'm doing like this, then you click on the 3 dotted line there and unfollow. Okay, you ensure you unfollow all those channels. So come back to the 3 dotted line and unfollow. Okay, unfollow, right? Now you click on what? On Mike Zuckerberg, and go to the 3 dotted line here and click on unfollow. Okay, and unfollow. So once you do that, you see, can you see that your status view has changed back? Did you see what just happened now? Can you see that? So it has returned back to the normal view. So this is just how you can actually change your status view to the normal way it used to be, if you are not comfortable with the way the new update is. If you ask me, I'm not comfortable with it, because it's not easy for me to be scrolling horizontally, while I can easily do it vertically. Okay, so it is because some of us, we followed all these channels. That's why the status will not change to slide like this. It's not change to slide like this. So this is how to actually change back your WhatsApp status view to the normal one. If you actually gain value in this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a click on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also share this video with other people too, so that they can actually learn this. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.